and in this tutorial I will show you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. So for the first step, please click on the tab that says Data. Alright, so now that the Data tab has been selected, please click on the option that says Filter. Now, if you look right over here, once we click on filter, you'll see these down arrow icons in the columns. So now, I mentioned a name of two movies. The first one's called Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. The second is called Star Wars Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back. Now, one movie came out in 1980, the other came out in 2005. Now, suppose if the list was longer and we had more years involved, such as 1981, 1985, 89 and more years and so forth. And if we wanted to filter the data to only see a certain year, it's very easy to do that now. So all you have to do is you click on the arrow, then you look at the bottom where it says select all. So what you want to do is uncheck select all and then just choose the year, so that way you only see data for the year that you're interested in. So since I only want to see the data for the year 1980, we're going to click on that, and then I'll hit the red X to close this window. And as you can see, the changes have now successfully taken effect. We are only seeing data that came from 1980, which is the film Star Wars Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and have a good day.